Make sure your recycling can, garbage can, patio furniture is tied down because it is windy outside and we may see some rain.
Yes, absolutely. So here in Salt Lake City, currently at 78 degrees, but our wind is sustained out of the north, currently at 17 miles per hour, and just issued a special weather statement for the Wasatch Front from Ogden all the way down towards Sandy. This is where we're going to see some winds in excess of 40 miles per hour possible. This goes until 6:30 tonight. And you'll want to travel with caution, especially on I-15, I-80, and I-84. So very strong winds expected here for the next little while. We've already had breezy conditions all day long, pretty much here across a lot of the state. And then we'll also see some increased chances for some showers and thunderstorms. It's dry from the southern half of the state all the way down into Arizona, but fire concerns, that's top of mind for southern Utah today. Red flag warnings in place until 9 o'clock from Lake Powell all the way over towards the Nevada border for southern Utah. Now our wind is very strong right now, especially down towards Cedar City. Look at that, 41 miles per hour. Across all of the region, we're seeing gusty conditions, and then cooler air fills in for this upcoming weekend. But fire weather forecast still a concern through the evening hours, especially across the southern 2/3 of the state. Then a bit of a break overnight, but still be careful. And then come tomorrow with our daytime heating, more fire problems for eastern Utah. But as of right now, there's no fire warnings issued for this upcoming weekend. Just a great idea to be careful as always. Now temperatures here across the state currently, it's about 70 to 80 degrees. But let's talk about the rest of tonight because it's Friday. You might have plans. 72 degrees at 6 o'clock here in Salt Lake City. We are cooling down quickly by 7 p.m. 66, 64 degrees at 8 o'clock tonight, and by 9 p.m. we are back into the 50s. So we're going to end up with windy conditions, some scattered showers and thunderstorms, as this is what I'm tracking for you as this front makes its way along the Wasatch Front. We are looking at about 9-10 o'clock here across the Wasatch Front. We are stretching from Wyoming all the way down south of Ely with this band of precipitation, but that heaviest precipitation will likely be between about 9 and 11 o'clock tonight. Then that moves off to our east, ends up being a pretty nice Saturday, just a mild day, not as hot as it was last weekend, and then some more chances for rain come Monday here across the region, but the bulk of that storm will be off to our east. But first thing tomorrow morning, it'll be about 35 to 45 degrees. And then our highs tomorrow really won't be too much warmer here in Salt Lake City. Highs only in the upper 50s for your Saturday here across the state. For Park City, highs in the 40s, St. George 84, Moab 76 for Saturday. By Sunday, we have some cooler temperatures for southern Utah, for Moab at least. 71 degrees for a high on Sunday, St. George 84 on Sunday, Park City and Salt Lake 50 and 60 respectively. Now for St. George's upcoming weekend, your mid-80s through Mother's Day. For Sunday, partly cloudy sky, but the rest of the forecast calling for sunshine and back into the 90s by next Wednesday. And for the Wasatch Front, we are warming up next week, but we're going to keep those temperatures below average through Tuesday, and then we're back close to 80 degrees by next Wednesday.